Colty, what's on your shirt? What is it? Do you want to go see dolphins?
Yes.
Are you going to make them do tricks? Yeah? Well, let's go. Let's go make the dolphins do tricks. You ready? So Lizzie, where are we today?
SeaWorld.
And what's the very first thing we're going to do?
I don't know.
You don't know? What's right over here?
Dolphins.
And what do the dolphins do?
If you drop something, it'll just go up and down.
Oh, so the dolphins actually play with you?
Yeah, but I don't really know if we have any plushy or hat thing. Oh, Colin's hat.
Yeah, we could try Colton's hat or Daddy's hat.
Them over there right now, though.
Let's go see if we can get the dolphins' attention. Okay, so what we're getting ready to show you now is the dolphin nursery, right? How cool is it, Lizzie?
Cool. They splash me with salt water and it tastes bad.
Yeah, they'll splash you. They jump right in front of you. You get to see the dolphin fly through the air just feet away and make big splashes in the tank, huh? It's one of the coolest things, isn't it?
Yeah, but also the worst part about it, that you can't even hear the splashes, that it just surprisingly just pour lashes all on you, and then you're like, it kind of feels good, but it tastes bad.
So don't taste it because it's probably got dolphin pee in it.
Yeah.
You didn't think about that. Let's check it out.
Wow. That's cool.
This is how you play with the dolphins.
That's Jack.
Do it, Lizzie. All the way up to the top. How are you guys doing? Good to see you again.
Looks like you guys hurt.
See that one? That's the wrong way.
Oh, we're gonna drop it like she told you, remember? Like this, long way, like this.
Oh, baby dolphin!
Oh, there's the baby. I forgot what you said.
Hi, Spark.
And this Ember. No, that is Ember. Oh, I have not played with you yet.
Mom, it's the perfect time to take out your phone.
Oh, here's your
Another baby one! Two one!
Look, it sends you a bubble.
My arm's hurting. Oh, my
What
arm!
is that?
But my arm is hurting.
But isn't it worth it? Come on, let's go into the park.
Can we
Enough
try
dolphins.
Infinity Falls?
Onward and away.